Hey everyone, so in today's video, you guys are gonna help me pack for Europe because I literally leave in just a few short days and I still have not packed, which I need to actually finish packing pretty much today because I'm going to be traveling home tomorrow for the weekend, and then the next day I come back, I leave for Europe for pretty much a month. And I'm so excited for today's video. I've actually partnered with Bagsmart and I'm using their Getaway carry-on for this trip, which you guys, this suitcase literally just screams me. I'm obsessed with this suitcase, but they actually have a lot of different color options. But this one, this color I absolutely love. And as you guys know, I travel a lot during the summer. And one of my biggest struggles is trying to fit everything into a carry-on. And that's usually what I try and always go for, is fitting everything in a carry-on. And what sold me on this one is that it expands when I need extra space. I also love that everything has a designated space, because my suitcase usually turns into complete chaos by day 2. And the wheels are really smooth, which is something you don't really think about until you're dragging your luggage through the airport. So it just glides super easily. The suitcase is just perfect for week-long trips without needing to check a bag. What's also great is there's also a TSA lock feature, which is always a great little bonus to have on your luggage. And I always need, as you guys saw, there's a dry and wet compartment, which I always love, especially when I'm traveling somewhere with the beach or if I know I'm going swimming. I love that there's a spot to put like some of my wet clothes. So this has that. And of course, we always need some compression straps. So it's fantastic. And then here is how much it expands, which I always need an expander. Because even sometimes when you have a carry-on, sometimes if you do want to like change your mind and check it in and pack it as much as you can, having that expander gives you that flexibility and option if you don't want to take it on the plane with you. Right, sorry for this awful lighting, but right now I'm packing. I have like this box of clothes that I had planned for my Europe travels. And because I moved, I didn't like hang anything up. I just like kept it in a box. That way I knew where everything was gonna go when I was ready to pack. So we are just finishing up packing, and I organized all my outfits like on a PowerPoint, like Google Slides. That's how it helps me not overpack, is by putting all my outfits. So that way I know what I'm wearing for each day, and I don't just, because if I don't do that, then I end up like bringing a bunch of stuff and I'm like, oh, I'll figure it out when I get there. But if I already know what I'm gonna wear for each day, then I don't overpack. So don't forget to check out Bagsmart. I'll have the link down below, and I do have a discount code for you. You guys can use the code AMANDA10CO to get 10% off your order. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and packing with me for Europe. If you guys did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.